Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I like to see everything if that's all right. Sorry. Can I see in the trunk too and all? Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Box is tuned to 34.
34? Okay.
Yeah, I'm running, it's 2000 watt RMS sub. I'm running 2500
Okay.
to it.
Is this a prefab or custom build, or is it
Custom build.
stack fab? Okay.
Custom build.
Nice.
Yep.
Looks good. Did you do any kind of testing to see if this was the optimal box spot?
No, actually, it was just kind of like one of those things. We built it.
Uh-huh.
Well, originally we built the box for the sub to fire out
Yeah.
in the car. So I got the dimensions of the opening behind my seats.
Okay.
Because the plan was, when I first put the sub in, it was firing this way, but it was rattling too much. I don't have no deadener or anything.
Yeah.
So I turned it around and pointed it that way, and it sounds a lot cleaner and a little bit
Cleaner, a little louder. There you go. That's a win-win then. Awesome. Nice. Have you thought about doing any kind of like fully trunk seal off at all?
Yeah. Well, eventually, what I was originally going to do when I was going to stick with one was I was going to seal it off, redo this whole deck. But I'm definitely going to get another 12 now, and then I'll seal it off and everything to where everything's firing out to the car.
Got it. Yes, sir.
Yep. Yeah, it's nothing too crazy. I mean, it sounds all right for a 12.
Yeah, man.
You ready?
In a minute. Let's see, a couple more questions, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Any batteries or alternator power?
Nope, on stock electrical.
Stock electrical,
Yep,
okay.
stock electrical.
Did you do the big three?
Nope, not even that.
Okay, so full stock.
I need to, but it's fully stock, yes.
Any electrical drop? Do you see your voltage drop at all?
See, that's the thing. I don't have a voltmeter or
Okay.
anything to check, but I'm sure it drops pretty low.
Yeah, got it. You ever have,
Completely stock.
is any lights ever blink at night if you play ever?
Oh, yeah.
does?
Every light in this car blinks.
Okay.
It's crazy, but I mean, the car handles it, I guess.
Looks good, man.
Yeah.
And you're able to put your seats up if you have for people in the back.
Yeah, oh yeah, I can still put my seats up. That's
Okay.
the goal with this.
Uh-huh.
Even after I get two, once I seal it off, I want it to where I'll still be able to haul 3 people in, or 4 people in here.
Correct.
Be able to put my seats up.
Yeah, man. I like it. All right, I'd love to hear it.
Good.
Are these all stock speakers?
No.
Okay.
6.5.
Very nice. And I like the way the box layout is kind of branded to the DS18.
Yeah,
the
I
box
kept
to the
it.
sub.
I got the slogan for DS18 on the back of the box. But yeah, I got a boy. His name's Evan Smith. He sells the DS18 brand.
Okay.
He's a really cool guy. Yeah.
Sweet. I like it. What was this subwoofer rated for?
2000 RMS.
2000. Nice.
It says the max is 4000, which I don't know how long you'll be able to handle that for. But
Probably for a burp, but
I'd say, I mean, it's a good sub. I haven't had no problems out of it. Actually, believe it or not, I've ran the sub pretty hard and I haven't smelt it yet.
never.
So,
Wow. Okay.
Yep. Nice to meet you.
What was your name?
Kyle Sauer.
Kyle. All right, Kyle.
Pussy poppin', tell the coppers, ha 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 ha. You can't catch him, you can't stop him. My move, I do you can't beat him, yeah. Drop him, you can't let him, then you mop him. You can't stand him, then you drop him. You drop him, cause we pop him like Ubu ready vodka. Motherfucker, I'm Lil. Here, a million there, Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut every year, like smoking. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin?
Pretty good, man. I like it.
Not too bad.
For a stock electrical single cell build, you did a good job.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Very nice. And I like the way the box layout is kind of branded to the DS18.
Yeah,
the box to the sub.
I got the slogan for DS18 on the back of the box. But
You have a good day, man. Nice to meet
thank
you.
Nice to meet you.
What was your name?
Kyle Sauer.
Kyle. All right, Kyle.